Divine Machines Pvt Ltd was established in the year 1989 in India. The company, over the years, has been recognized as a leading manufacturer of coil processing lines in India. We are an ISO 9001-2015 certified company. Divine Machines' highly equipped modern manufacturing facility, situated in Rajkot, spans over 50,000 square feet of built-up area and is equipped with an in-house machine shop with CNC machines. Our product range includes cut-to-length lines, slitting lines, roll forming lines, and terminal equipments such as uncoiler, recoiler, flattener, and accumulators. Additionally, we specialize in automation devices like press feed units, servo roll feeders, folding lines, and FMS. Divine has successfully executed over more than 800 installations in India and overseas. Our workforce of a total 100 employees consists of designers, technicians, administrators, and engineers. If there are special requirements or customization needs, you can contact our professional yet customer-friendly staff by call, email, or connect with us on our social media platforms to get in touch.